Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add a friend to your Discord server on mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're on Discord, you just simply want to click on the left top corner to chat message. And right here you're gonna see a few stuff. You're gonna see like all your friends here. So you want to click down below in your, like there's Discord menu and there is like the guy who is waving. Click on it, and now you just want to click on the right top corner to add members or add someone, and here you just want to simply click and add username and tag, or by scan if someone is near you and he got like also, or she got like turned on the Bluetooth. So again, you just add the friend here on Discord by username and tag. So again, right click here, click the button and username and tag. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a good day everybody, and goodbye.